do you play cards? These are actually a simple signet ring. I'm going to show you. I have it in here. Let me see. Okay, so actually we transformed this simple signet ring, as you see, is a plain stainless simple signet ring, and then we do the engraving on it. We engrave any symbol, and this time I decided to make these 4 aces in different rings to show you how it looks when it comes to engraving pieces. So you can engrave your unique symbol, whatever. You will see them in detail. I'm going to show you and the way that we do the engraving. Also, remember, these rings are unisex. I have created them in any different sizes, from a tiny finger to the very choppy finger, and it finds in silver and gold color, very high quality. So now tell me in a comment below if you are up to engraving a symbol or a word or a belief on a piece of jewelry, what that will be. I would love to hear more from you and your belief.